Hey guys, it's Megan. Welcome back to Tarte's channel. Today I wanted to show you guys what I do when I want to look super glam, and it's all using some of my favorite Amazonian clay products. So if you want to get glam and have your face stay on for 12 hours, keep on watching. Before we start on our eyes, I'm going to go ahead and take our Amazonian clay brow mousse. This is the shade Rich Brown. You guys know I love this. Next, I'm going to prep my lids with our lid lock. For our eye look today, I'm using the Tartelette in Bloom palette. These shadows are formulated with Amazonian clay as well, so they are going to last me all night long. The first shade I'm going to dip into is Sweetheart for my transition shade. And next I'm taking Rebel, which is this dark shade here, and just deepening my outer V. I'm taking this shade Firecracker and putting that all over my lid. I'm taking the shade Leader and buffing that under my under eye. I'm taking the shade Funny Girl to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. So I just went ahead off camera and applied my lashes and some liner, and I'm going to blend my lashes together with our Amazonian clay Gifted Smart Mascara onto my tops and my bottoms. Moving on to face, I'm going to prep my skin with our Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer. I love this primer for a super glam look. It just fills my pores in, makes my skin nice and smooth. Now that my primer's all on, I'm going in with our Amazonian clay liquid foundation. This is the shade Tan Deep Honey. I just finished applying concealer, and what I like to do when I do super glam makeup is set it. So I'm taking our Park Ave Princess Chisel palette and using the shade Enhance to brighten my under eye. Next, I'm going in with the shade Angle to contour. Now that I'm all chiseled, I'm going to take our Amazonian clay blush. This is the shade Natural Beauty. And when I apply blush, I like to use a big fluffy brush and smile to find my cheekbones and apply it in a checking motion and then just blend it out. Next, I'm taking our Amazonian clay highlight. This is the shade Stunner. This is just to die for. And to finish off the look, I'm taking our Tarte's Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade XO to give me the perfect red lip. Guys, so So this is the final look. What do you think? I love it. This is like super glam for me. This is like date night or a night out or just an event that I'm going to, and I love it, and I forgot how much I love a red lip. So I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want me to do in the next vlog. Bye guys.